How to enable or disable the auto rotate feature on our Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra devices. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can do just that. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Enabling or disabling screens auto-rotate on Galaxy S25 or other series is actually quite simple. In order to do so, first of all, you can simply swipe down your control settings from the top right hand side of the screen. Normally, you can see the auto rotate icon right within this page, right? But if you do not see auto rotate that looks like this, you can also tap this edit icon right there and tap on edit to bring the auto rotate one above. Now, you can see currently I have locked it to portrait, but if you want to enable auto rotate, tap on it once and you can see it's set to auto rotate. So if I put my phone in slanting mode, then auto rotate is enabled. But if I want to lock it, then I can just turn off auto rotate by just tapping on the toggle. This way you can easily enable or disable auto rotate on Galaxy S25. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.